Welcome students. Today we are going to learn standard ninth, subject science and technology part 2, lesson number 9, environmental management. Before start topic, let's understand the concept of pollution. The process of contamination of the environment due to human activities or due to natural causes is called pollution. When waste is released in different natural sources like air, soil, and water, it causes air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution, respectively, as you can see in the following pictures. Waste are unwanted substances produced by various processes. It can be either solid state or liquid state. So, let's learn in detail about solid waste. Solid waste is the unwanted solid materials which we do not need any longer and usually we throw it away. The different materials like papers, plastic, vegetable peels, wrappers, industrial waste, mining waste are the examples of solid waste. And all the solid waste are collected from city and dumped at the dumping sites as you can see in the picture. Now we'll look upon the topic necessity for disposal of solid waste. Solid waste is a serious worldwide problem that causes pollution of all the air, water and soil ecosystems. Solid waste affects nations' economic growth, beauty of the place, spreads various diseases and also causes environmental degradation. Hence, it is necessary to dispose and manage solid waste properly. If waste are accumulated and disposed of improperly, then it creates serious threats to nature and human habitat. Therefore, we need to dispose the unwanted materials, otherwise it may affect environment adversely. Also, there is a necessity for the proper disposal of solid wastes as it can be a valuable source of energy by using various techniques. Depending on degradability of solid waste, it is divided into two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable, which is also called as wet solid waste, is the waste which can be degraded by microbes. It is also called as wet garbage. Examples: kitchen waste, soil, ash, parts of plants, dung, etc. Whereas non-biodegradable, which is also called as dry waste, is that which cannot be degraded easily. Example: plastic, metal, thermocol, etc. When solid waste accumulate in the environment, it results in various harmful effects. So let's learn what are the harmful effects of solid waste. It affects the biodiversity. Due to global nature of climate change, landfill gases released from local landfills have the ability to affect the biodiversity. Due to decomposition of wet waste by microbes, it releases harmful toxic gases and bad odor at the place of dumping sites, which results in the degradation of natural beauty of the place. Also, it causes air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Solid waste spreads the diseases by providing breeding places for mosquitoes, flies, and rats, which spreads diseases like dengue, malaria, and other infectious diseases due to improper disposal of waste. Thank you.